Hello, everyone. If you're aspiring to become a structural analysis engineer, then this question may be helpful for you to get across in an interview. What is adaptive meshing? If you're analyzing a highly complex structures, what I mean by highly complex structure is a structure with highly complex geometry, say for example a radial tire, as well as complex loading conditions. Then such structures will have different magnitudes of stresses in different regions in the structure. So the places where you expect the stresses to be very high, you have to give a lot of attention to those places. So you have to use fine mesh to capture the stress details. And the places where you expect the stresses to be very cool, and those places you can use coarse mesh. Probably that region of the structure will not fail. Just for example, take this mobile phone. It is not a very complex structure. Nonetheless, if it spills out of the pocket, then what happens at the corners? The corners may be subjected to more stresses. That is one of the reasons why the corners have fillets, and it may be subjected to more stresses and it may fail. So those places where you expect the stresses to be very high, you have to use fine mesh. And the places where you expect the stress to be low, you can go for coarse mesh. Now, this saves a lot of computational time for engineers because one of the challenges faced by CAE engineers is to save a lot of computation time for nonlinear finite element analysis problems, particularly when the loading condition becomes very involved and the structure becomes very complex. This methodology of using different mesh sizes systematically and methodically is called as adaptive meshing. Hope this information is useful. Thank you so much for your patience.